Welcome to Hands-On at Home at the Peoria Riverfront Museum. I'm Heather Placco, the Program Manager, and today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. For elephant toothpaste, we're going to need a couple of supplies. An empty bottle, a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, a tablespoon of dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of warm water, 2 tablespoons liquid dish soap, measuring tools of a half a cup and a tablespoon, a small bowl or container, safety goggles or glasses if you have them, a funnel and a tub to catch the mess, and an option for food coloring to make the reaction a little more colorful. So first you'll want to measure out a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide and pour it into the empty bottle. Next you'll want to go ahead and add your color drips. You want to try to drip it down the sides of your bottle so that it makes that toothpaste effect, where you have different colors on different sides of your toothpaste. So I chose teal and pink for my 2 colors. Now you're going to go ahead and measure out 2 tablespoons of dish soap and carefully pour them into your container. Lastly, we're going to take our 3 tablespoons of warm water and a packet or 1 tablespoon of yeast. Now you want to go ahead and stir this for 30 seconds. If you don't have a funnel, you can use a liquid measuring cup with a spout, or just pour really carefully. And now we're ready to pour into our bottle and watch our experiment happen. And here it comes! During this experiment, it's important not to touch the foam itself while it's reacting. It's called an exothermic reaction, and it's hot. So that means that the mixture created heat. After several minutes, it will cool down. Now, we only had 3% hydrogen peroxide on hand. If you want a foamier, more full elephant toothpaste, use a higher percentage of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is composed of water and oxygen. The yeast is a catalyst that takes away the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide, which then gets trapped by the dish soap from its lots of bubbles. Thank you so much for joining us for Hands-On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum and making elephant toothpaste with us today. A special thank you to our members and our Visionary Society members who make educational programming just like this happen every day. Thanks, we'll see you next time.